All right, today this is a series where I'm painting what I call gnarly trees. I'm going to give you another different technique on this subject. First of all, have one of these squirt bottles with this fine tip where the water comes out, and get yourself some ultramarine blue and burnt sienna right out of the tube. And we're going to just take the water, see how I'm spreading it around? Now drop in some pigment, and we're going to get a bark effect here. You have to use a brush with a real fine point. And have some blotting paper. I ran out of Viva paper, so I'm using a paper napkin. Now this is going to give you your bark effect. I know it doesn't look like it right now, but it will. We'll add a little bit more water. And we'll blot up here. Make sure this is in the camera. And I'm just dropping the pigment in. And we'll get a little bit more water. Every once in a while we'll drop in some real dark, as you can see. Okay, this is going fairly well. A little bit more water. Okay, we'll let the water run a little bit here. Okay. And let's drop in a little bit burnt sienna here, just for fun. Got a little puddle right here, so we'll get rid of that. Blot a little bit to get some texture. And we'll blot right down here. Okay, we'll let that dry. All right, this is bone dry now. And we'll peel the tape off. Now, when you do tape like this, run this tape over a towel with lots of lint, and then it'll come up from your paper a lot easier. And I just peel the tape off like so to get this ragged edge here for the tree. So here we go. We're pulling off the tape. Okay. Take a look at it. Doesn't look too much like a tree with all this white screening edges. So we'll get rid of that and hopefully turn it into a gnarly tree. So here we go. I'm just dropping in plain, just light burnt sienna. And I think the woodpeckers have been after this tree once we get this in. Now the trick is you want to leave, when you do this, quite a bit of these little white marks, and you can always get rid of them. You can never bring the white marks back. All right, I'll finish this up. I'll let it dry and I'll be right back. All right, here's the tree, and this is looking like a. I've spent a lot of time up in the North Woods, Wisconsin, and this looks like a beat up old pine tree. I could picture a lot of pine cones down here. Now, this is kind of the look. I mean, it's not exactly like this, but this has similar look. Now, I went to Hobby Lobby and I got some watercolor paper. That's what I did this on. It's just very inexpensive watercolor paper, 140 pound. So let's play around with this. And I'll get a close-up for you. But first of all, that's good and dark. We'll do some, see where this dark is? We'll just do kind of a ragged. That's looking good. Let's see. I don't want to spend too much time. Let's darken this up down here. Okay, that's good. Darken this down here. Yeah. Another branch just for fun. Where do we want to do it? Let's do it out here. Okay. All right, now I'll get a close-up. Okay, we'll start from the bottom. I like this. That could be some bark kind of coming off the tree. Now I get this, when I pulled the tape off, see that deckled edge there? Got that. That's kind of a good look. Okay, so there's a tree. I might put some grass in, pretty it up a little bit, so when you see it on my YouTube, you'll click on it. But this is the look you can get. It's kind of fun.